Hi guys, good morning. I showed you a video of my Genelec speakers, 8351, and I want to point out some cool features of these speakers. All you guys know that these have DSPs inside, so you can use the GLM measurement set with the microphone, to just calibrate it to your room, and this is a really amazing. These speakers, I think I couldn't use them here in my living room without this functionality. It's really gorgeous. Yeah. I can tell you more about that maybe in another video. I can show you the software if you want. The new software, the GLM 4.0 is beta right now. I think Genelec will release it in the next days. The GLM 3.0 is not working with the newest macOS version right now, but I could measure them in with the beta software. It's fine so far. And what I also want to point out is the connection setup. I use an Airport Express here. It's behind this, in this corner here, behind the wood block here. But I don't want to show that because it's a lot of cable stuff there. What I did is I connected the Genelecs fully digitally, and with the Airport Express. So I used the optical digital out. I converted it to SPDIF with a little converter, and then I could use the digital input of the Genelecs. It's not SPDIF, it's AES EBU. It's the professional standard, but in my case here, it just worked with a cable. I just bought a cable from, audio cinch connector to the XLR connectors, and this really works fine for me. But the cool thing is you can use the analog input of the Genelecs as well at the same time. Well, not really at the same time for streaming the music, but the point is I use the analog connection with the TV here because I don't have another, digital output where I can control the volume. So I use the analog output of the TV, connect it to the analog input to the Genelecs. And the cool thing is that if you have a digital signal on the digital inputs at the Genelec, they just use the digital input. And if you stop playing music, so stop the signal at the digital inputs, they just will switch to the analog input again after some 5 seconds or something like that. So this is really cool. You don't have you don't need any receiver or something, or just a preamp if you don't want to, and you can just use the Airport Express for AirPlay 2, for example. I do it like that. Yeah. And if you just stop the music, you can switch on the TV and use the TV audio seamlessly, which is a really cool functionality for me. Let me know if you guys want to know more about the GLM software. I think Genelec will also do some tutorials about that, of course, but I think this measurement thing, the DSP thing, is the calibration is just gorgeous. I couldn't even use these speakers in this room here if I would not have the possibility to calibrate them here. It's just amazing.